These videos have been blowing up recently, getting tens of millions of views and generating their creators thousands of dollars. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make them step by step for totally free so that you guys can blow up your own pages and start making thousands through the TikTok Creator Awards program or through the YouTube Shorts Fund. And all you're going to need to make these videos is either a phone or a laptop. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my laptop as that is what I tend to prefer to edit on. But if you guys are doing this on your phone, the exact same steps apply and you can follow along from your phone. So step number one is going to be to go over to an AI image generator such as Midjourney or Leonardo.ai. But to be honest, there are so many AI image generators these days, you can choose whichever one that you prefer. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Leonardo.ai because they give you some free credit so you guys can try it out for free and I just quite like it. So once you're in your AI image generator, like I'm here on Leonardo.ai, you're simply just going to want to go ahead and type in a prompt with two animals in the same picture next to each other. So most people do this with animals. You can do it with different things. You can do it with a clown and an animal, for example. I also saw that one, but I'm just simply going to use this prompt. I literally just came up with this from my head now. Make a photo of a mouse and a shark on a beach in the same photo. I'll then go ahead and use some of my free daily credits to press generate, and it's going to generate me some of these images. Okay, cool. So that took about 30 seconds, but as you guys can now see, I've got an image of a mouse and a shark on a beach. Okay, so an example of a prompt for this next image that I want is I'm just going to ask it to create a hybrid animal with a mouse and a shark on a beach using the same backgrounds as the last image generation. So hopefully we get some sort of a similar background, which is just going to make the video that we're going to make in a second look better, but it doesn't need to be exactly the same so long as it's somewhat similar. So I'm going to go ahead and press generate and then I'll show you guys the results once they are done. Okay, cool. So as we can see, the background isn't exactly the same, but it's somewhat similar. And to be honest, most of these look quite good. This one I wouldn't use. I don't think this is great, but the rest of them are actually pretty good generations. Now, once again, I'm just doing this quickly for a tutorial. You guys, if you want to do this page seriously and create a page in this niche, then I would make sure you sort of play around a bit more and try your best to get the best image generations. So I'm just going to go ahead and download my two favorite ones. So I'm going to do this one over here, and then I'm also going to download this one here. Then now that I've downloaded my photos, I'm going to come over to this next site, which is called Luma Labs AI. And I have also found some other ones for this, and this isn't a sponsored video. There was also Kling AI, but to be honest, this was nowhere near as good. I tested it. So Luma Labs seems to be the best one, and I'll leave links to all of these tools that I do use in this video in the description. And then what you're going to want to do when you come onto Luma Labs AI is you're going to want to go and press the images, and then you're just going to put in your two photos. So your first photo first, and then you're going to want to add an end frame, which is going to be this one. And then you're just going to want to go ahead and add in a simple prompt, something like, can you animate and merge these photos together? And then press go. And now the problem with Luma Labs is if you don't pay for it, like I said, you can do it for totally free, and you can, because I'll show you in a second, I have. Yeah, you can't always, you're not going to get priority. So as you can see right now, we're at capacity upgrade for faster generations. And even when you do manage to get it when it's not at full capacity, it takes like a long time to generate the images into videos, just because of course they're going to prioritize their people that are paying. So once again, you can test this out for free, but to be honest, if you're trying to do this seriously and make money with this niche, then you'd probably want to upgrade on Luma Labs, because otherwise you're going to be spending ages. But fortunately, I do have an example that I've done earlier. So if we come back over to Leonardo, as you can see, I had previously generated a lion and a gorilla in a jungle together, and then a merge animal of the lion and the gorilla. And I actually turned this into a video over here so you guys can see it as an example. As we can see, this is something that you would get, and that is a sort of transition into the merged animal. Now with that being said, once again, if you do manage to generate a video when it is not at full capacity, if you are not paying, this does take a while. So like I say, hence why I already pre-made one for this video. But I took a screenshot of when I was making this, but it said, yeah, 374 minutes to generate. So of course I just left it to generate in the background while I was working on some other things. So you can do it that way. It's not the worst thing in the world, because of course you don't need to be on the site, but I just want to be totally transparent with you guys here and let you know what the experience is like if you're trying to do it for totally free. But once you do manage to actually generate your video, you're just going to go ahead and click this download button here, and then the next step is to go ahead and take this video into an editing software so that we can add some little additions to it. I'm going to use CapCut, as CapCut is free and also very beginner friendly, but if you guys want to use something else, then that is totally fine. Now once we're in a new project in CapCut, we're simply just going to drag and drop our video here on the timeline, and as we can see, we've got our animation. Cool. Looks good. Another thing as well, obviously if you're not going to pay, you do have the little watermark in the corner, but that's not an issue, because if I really wanted to get rid of that, I could simply just crop it out by doing this. But yeah, once again, for this tutorial, it doesn't really matter, but just as an example for you guys. But when I generated this image, unfortunately I didn't do it in the right dimensions, but when you guys are generating your images, make sure you do it in 9:16 so that of course it fits the screen properly. But what I can do here, because obviously I forgot to make it look a bit better, is I can go to the canvas and I can make it blurred, and I can do a blur like that, and it doesn't look too bad. And then now that we have done this, we are going to want to go ahead and download this sound from TikTok so that we can edit it on top of our video. And that is simply just because this is the main sound that everyone in this niche is using. I can't actually show you guys this sound simply because of copyright reasons on YouTube, but I'll put up some pages on screen that are doing really good in this niche so you can go and take a look at them for some inspiration and so that you can find this sound for yourself to download it. Okay, so I just went ahead and downloaded this sound using a site called SSSTick. Once again, it'll be linked in the description. And you just want to line this up with the video, so with the edit. Like, it's basically at the start, it says like he's back, and then you want that to line up and the beat drop to line up with the animation. So I'm going to go ahead and do that quickly. And of course, if you guys do want to do this yourself, I'll leave links to some of the bigger pages in the description so you can check those out. As of course, I can't show you the sound, but it's very simple. As long as you watch their videos, you'll understand how to do this for yourself in your editing software. And cool, I've now gone ahead and done this so it matches my video. I'll then just go ahead and export it, and my export settings are very simple. It's just 180p 30 FPS. That is totally fine. People sometimes ask me about that. And then I would go ahead and upload this to TikTok. With that being said as well, for this step, if you really wanted to, you could just add the music on TikTok. You don't need to do it in an editing software. But for this next bit that I'm going to talk about, you would need to use an editing software. Okay, so I know in this video I'm giving you a tutorial on how to grow a page fast using AI content. However, the end goal, of course, with this content is to go ahead and make money. And if you've watched this channel before, I always talk about how you can make extra money by selling products from your page via the traffic that you get. So we're not just relying on the platforms such as YouTube and TikTok to pay us, but we have our own business on the back end selling digital products, physical products, or maybe even services. However, to go ahead and sell something, we need a website or a place that people can go to go ahead and pay us or know about our service so that we can then sell them on that product. And that is where the sponsor of today's video comes in, Hostinger. So we come over to my laptop, we can see that Hostinger are currently running a Cyber Week sale, and they have different options that you can choose from. And these are all the things that they have to offer with their website builder, such as creating a website in 3 simple steps. They also now have the introduction of AI. And yeah, there's a bunch of things that they are now offering with their website builder. I'm going to go ahead and choose the business website builder plan. So if I go ahead and press choose plan, it is then simply just going to take us through to the cart. And they're currently running a Cyber Week sale, so there's a bunch of savings to be made right now. And then at checkout, if you guys go ahead and use my code, which is Joe Sabiti, then we're just going to press apply, and we're going to get ourselves some extra percentage off of the plan that we go for. So Hostinger will be linked in the description, and once again, be sure to use code Joe Sabiti at checkout for the extra percentage off. Hostinger is a great platform for anyone new to website building, especially recently as they have added some AI tools such as this AI website builder that I'll show on screen behind me now, where you simply just put in a few descriptions and prompts and it's going to go ahead and generate a website for you. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can create a website for yourself and take you through the process. So if you do want to build a product for your pages, then you can go ahead and use Hostinger. So that if you do want to build a website to make some extra money with your pages, then you're going to know how to do that as well. So once you've signed up to Hostinger using my link in the description, you're going to be on the home page, and as you can see here on my laptop, if I come over to a website, I'm just simply going to go ahead and press business web hosting and press setup. However, if you do go ahead and purchase the business plan, you are going to get a free domain as well, so you can start hosting it straight away. Anyway, so let's just go ahead and click setup. Okay, so once we've gone ahead and done that, we just now need to go ahead and answer a few questions. So I'm going to go ahead and create a website, press next, and then I want to use the Hostinger website builder as this is beginner friendly. So we'll get started with that. Press next, and then for now I'm just going to use a temporary domain because I haven't claimed my free domain yet, so I'll just use temporary domain. I can always add my actual domain later. And then for now I'm just going to make up a brand that I'm going to talk about, so I'll call it something like AI Takeover as we're creating videos with AI on this tutorial. And then I'm just going to give it a quick description, so I'm going to make up a product and give it a description about it. Okay, so as you can see, I've just given it a quick little description here. My brand is a brand that creates AI content, and I sell courses on how to do this, as well as done for you services to create content with AI. And as you can see here, it's giving me a suggestion to add online store. So I'm just going to go ahead and press create a website. And then AI is just going to generate this. So I'll be back for you guys once it is fully generated. Okay, perfect. So now if we come and see, it's created us a pretty good looking website. And yeah, it's got some courses down here that we can go ahead and buy with the online store. And obviously what I'm going to go ahead and do if I were to use this is I'll just go ahead and edit the media. So I'll come up to here in the top right and press edit, and then I can just change the photos to my own photos that I might make. And yeah, give it a bit of personalization to your company. And then once you press edit, it's going to take you over here where you can change things such as payments, products, all of these things. However, I'm going to go ahead and be interested in sorting out the website first. So I'd press edit website. And then once I'm in here, as we can see, I can change different things. So I might change the text to AI Takeover And then if I wanted to, I could go ahead and change this section. So maybe I would generate an image, or I would press edit, and I can go ahead and upload some of my own media. And as you can see, it's created me a pretty good website that I can very easily change in less than 1 minute. And then once you've done all of this, you've made your website look how you want it to, and you're happy with it, you just go ahead and connect your domain, and then you would press go live, and you have a live website and you can start making some money with it. Now, if you want to use this tool for yourself, then check out Hostinger. It will be the first link in the description. Anyways, back to the editing tutorial so you can create these viral videos to get some traffic for our website. So as for my advice for growing a page like this, when you're trying to grow the page, because of course you're not monetized straight away, I would simply just do videos like this, like little short ones on TikTok, as you can still go viral with these and they can help you grow your presence on TikTok. And then once you're near 10K, what I would start doing is making 1-minute compilations. And once again, this is what the bigger pages are doing, so that you can actually get into the Creator Awards program and you can start making money once you're on the Creator Awards program, because of course we need to post videos over 1 minute long. However, for YouTube Shorts, you can simply just post these videos and you'll be totally fine, because with YouTube Shorts, you don't have a minimum requirement of time to actually get your videos monetized and paying you via AdSense. As for the process of making minute-long compilations, if we come back over to my laptop, once again, it's very simple. This niche is very simple. It's just about generating these AI images. If you pay for Kling AI and you actually generate multiple of these, you can probably smash loads of these out very quick. All you're going to do is you're just going to get multiple of these videos that you will have already made. So once you've made them, save them somewhere, and then you'll just put them in here again. So let's say this, for example, this is one. Let's say this was a different video. Of course, unfortunately, I don't have a different video. I would then go ahead and add another video, and then I'll just do this until my compilation is a minute long. And that is basically it. It's a very simple niche. And also, this was my first attempt at me doing this. I'm sure if I played around with it more and I used different prompts and I tested different things, I can make these animations look even better. And I think it's important that I say this, because this tool, this AI tool, like not many people know about it right now. So if you guys get on this early, then you can do quite well with it. But for example, I've seen people going viral using this AI tool in the cat stories niche. I'll put up some examples on screen around me. So yeah, it's not just this niche. You can also use it for different niches. So I definitely practice this early. And if you can get good with it, I'm sure you can blow up a page very quick, even if it is not in the specific Fusion viral niche. Now, if you guys do want to start getting paid from your first video with these videos, then I'm going to go ahead and recommend a site called Tick Accounts, where you can buy pre-monetized accounts. So you can see here, they do pre-monetized accounts for TikTok. So this just means you won't have to worry about growing to 10K and actually getting accepted into the Creator Awards program. You can just start posting and you'll be getting paid straight away. And then if you were wanting to do YouTube Shorts, they do also provide monetized YouTube accounts. These are a little bit more expensive and the stock on these is less because it is harder to get these accounts. But yeah, you can go ahead and get these as well. So I'll leave a link to Tick Accounts in the description, and you can use code JOSEPHBT5 for 5% off at checkout. If you did enjoy this video and you found it helpful or valuable in any way, then it'd be much appreciated if you could drop a like on this video and share it with a friend to help them make money with social media. And if you guys do want weekly videos like this, helping you grow and make money online, then be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you guys wanted to know how I managed to grow over 400,000 followers in just 30 days on TikTok, then check out this video on screen here. Apart from that, I hope you all did enjoy, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.